everybody and welcome to our latest vlog. This is an extra. What are we making?
We're making brownies.
We're making brownies, and I think Mum's got a load of things just to throw in extra, so they might be very, very fattening brownies. I have no idea what they taste like.
They have a gooey.
But we'll see.
They have a gooey in the middle though.
Cool. Right, well, let's get made baking.
Yay! Ooh.
Ooh, we've lined that. Right, so we need to melt the butter and the chocolate together. So we've got our bowl, we've got our scales. We're now going to weigh it. Right, so the first part, we're going to get some butter and chocolate. So we need 100 grams of this. Yes, of course we can. Let's get that in.
That's with the
Arm the child with a knife.
Of course, I never cut myself.
Oh yeah.
I did it last time. I did not cut myself.
Right, come on then, let's get to 100 grams. Hurry on. Might be here a while.
Why does this look like cheese?
Cheese and butter come from the same thing. Come on.
They need.
Now I need 200 grams of the dark chocolate.
Can I do that bit?
You getting ready to break it?
That's loud, isn't it? One time.
Alright, we need some sugar. We need 250 grams of caster sugar. Alright, you gotta take 5 grams out of there and put it back in here. Not my favourite beast. Right, I'm very, very lazy.
What?
Because they tell me I need to fold it. I'm just going to chuck everything in there and whisk it all together.
No, I'm going to fold it.
No, we're whisking it. Right, so what we need is, we need the chocolate mixture, yep. We'll need the flour, the baking powder and the cocoa. So,
You're lazy, please. piece. Isn't it? So nice.
I think they can smell over the TV, darling.
That's quick.
Oh, it's just a quick mixer.
Yeah, that's quick. Quite cool. And it has a gooey in the middle.
Well, that's part of the baking that gets the gooey in the middle.
With marshmallows.
What do we have to go in the middle? So we've got fudge,
Oh, fish.
marshmallows, chocolate,
Mm.
chocolate brownie, dark chocolate, and the husband hasn't eaten any yet. Okay, I'll make you a deal. You lift the whisk, I get the bowl. I'll take that as a yes. And we've got some fudge chunks going in. This needs to get in the oven for about 25 minutes. So I'll see you at the back end. Fresh out the oven. It's just got to chill for a little while. I've managed to keep the child away from it. So yeah, we'll see it on its next unboxing and see what it looks like cutting up. But now it's got to chill, ready for tonight. Right, so you turn it out tin, take the greaseproof paper down, and then slice away and see what you have.